guys, and welcome back to another episode of Homemade Beauty. Today's episode is all about sheet masks. Sheet masks are perfect for when your skin needs a pick-me-up, giving it an instant glow and much-needed hydration. Making one at home with custom-made mixes is super helpful when you have specific skin concerns. Today I'm going to show you 3 different masks which are super easy to make and are very affordable. For the mask itself, you can use cotton pads or cotton tissues, but I'm going to be using rice paper today. Rice has a load of beauty benefits, especially for acne-prone skin, like sebum control, reducing redness and swelling, and mattifying oily skin. So let me start by showing you how to make the mask. So that was it for today's episode of Homemade Beauty. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Also, while you're at it, check out the POPxo shop because it has amazing things like this t-shirt, many more crop tops, fanny packs and a lot more. The link is in the description box below, so make sure you go check that out. And for more such videos, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.